going to talk about a strategy that you can use to trade Bitcoin, but you can use it in other markets as well. So as you can see here, we are on a tradingview.com and we're going to use an indicator called SSL Channel. You can add this indicator. This indicator goes directly on the chart, so as you can see here. And the way this indicator works is really easy. We are on the 1 hour chart, and basically we're gonna wait for the indicator to show us green. So green line above the red line, and you're gonna go for longs. And you can use another moving average. Here we're gonna put a 21 moving average. And the way the moving average is gonna work is the moving average is gonna keep us outside of the market sometimes. So we're gonna put pink. So pink, no, maybe it's not a good idea. Maybe blue is a good idea. And but I want the line to be figure. Okay, perfect. So basically here the price is above the moving average, you're gonna go for longs, and if the price is below the moving average, you're gonna go for shorts. So here we have a long signal. Why is a long signal? Because as you can see, the green line is above the red line. And where are we gonna close this? We're gonna close this here. And how much you make? 4.3%. Roughly 5%, 4.96%. So here it's said to go for a short, but the price is above the moving average, so we don't go for a short. But here we have another long signal, so we go for a long again. We put our stop, and where we close, I think we're gonna close on this candle here. I can be wrong. Okay, this candle here, we close. As you can see, we give back to the market a lot, but we still have 6%. 5% plus 6%. Wow. Give me that money, baby. So another long here. On this one we will not profit much. Maybe we would go for a short here. It's fair to say. And we're gonna lose maybe 2% because you're gonna go for a short here and we're gonna close here. So for sure here you lose money. So let's reduce 2% here, and here we go for a long. Here is a break even. It's a break even trade. You enter here and you exit a little bit above, roughly break even. Maybe here we would go for a short, another loss. When the market is ranging like this, you're gonna lose money. But here is where you're gonna make a lot of money. You lose 1% here, 1% here, maybe some break evens, and then, baby, check this out. We're gonna go for a short. Red above the green, moving average above the price. We go. Where we close? We close when the price gives us an exit. It's here. And look, while people are holding and making money, maybe they're gonna give back the money to the market. And here you just make 16%. So now you can lose 1%, 1%, 16 times you're gonna be on profit. And then you keep going this. You keep doing this. You can go here again. You go long, and where you're gonna exit? Maybe here is a break even. Then maybe you go short here, and where you close here. So you lose like 3%. Here is a big loss, but look at this, baby. You're gonna lose sometimes. It's true, and you can use a stop loss if you want to. I mean, you should use a stop loss. So maybe you can limit your loss to 2%, for example, here. And here, where you're gonna exit? You're gonna exit here. So how much you make? 10%, 16%, 10%, 5%, no, 6%, 5%. Tell me, if these don't make money, what make money? You're gonna do here almost 10, almost 40%, and you're gonna lose a couple times, of course. It's part of the game, but you're gonna keep making money. Look, short here, oh baby, look at this short. Maybe it's not good, I don't know. Let's see. Short, price below, stop here. Oh yeah, baby. How much percent? 5%. No. You're gonna need to exit here. 3% is not too good, but it's okay, because 3% give you opportunity to lose the next one. I mean, maybe you're gonna get a big one like this one. Another short here. Where is the short? Is the short start here, because the price go below the moving average. And where you exit here. So another 4%. Oh yeah, baby. And sometimes you're gonna get big rallies like this one. Sometimes, or this one. Sometimes you're gonna have like some losses. Yeah, of course. But when you go big, you go big. So the name of this indicator again is SSL Channel. So backtest it and use it. See you on the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.